Platinum Tech's 6-piece combination internal and external snap ring plier set comes with 3 different plier sizes that have either a straight tip or a 90-degree tip at the end. The pliers are convertible for use on internal and external snap rings. They have a knurled center screw with a spring so they can be easily changed between squeezing and spreading. The pliers also have a cushioned handle so they are comfortable regardless of how they are being used. Also, the pliers are made in the USA. The set comes in a custom blow-molded storage case for added convenience. For more information on this product, or to see the full line of Platinum Tech products, please visit atdtools.com.